Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. We're standing in front of a drop-dead gorgeous 1964 black plate, which means it spent its life in California, 64 Chevy Malibu triple black convertible. This car is a virgin. It has all original metal, no patchwork anywhere. It is stunning. Come on up, let's take a look at the vehicle, take a look at the paint, the motor, the margins. It is beautiful. Come on up. Under the hood, we have a very clean engine compartment, and there it sits, a 383 stroker motor hooked up to a 700 R4 trans, and it is beautiful. Power disc brakes, power steering, just enough chrome on the motor. You got an Edelbrock Performer with a Demon carb. She is stunning. Let's drop the hood, take a look at the paint. If you notice the paint, I don't know how good you can tell in the pictures, but you can see right through it. It's beautiful black, and when you look down the side of this car, you don't see any waves. That's how you know you have a nice solid body. You throw black paint on it and you find out how solid and straight a car is. Sitting on some beautiful chrome Chevy rallies. The top is a black convertible top. Absolutely beautiful shape. We'll show you that in a few. All the margins on the doors are perfect. Look at this. Shuts perfect. Just a stunning, stunning vehicle. Don't forget, this probably won't end. If you see it on eBay, it won't go through the end of the auction. Call Tom today at 248-974-9513. Don't miss out. All right, Aubrey, check out this trunk. Beautifully solid. They got a nice carpet in here. They got some speakers in here. You got a jack setup, spare tire. This car is absolutely beautiful. Nothing like a California black plate car. Check out all the stainless on the car. Margins on the trunk lid, doors, everything are stunning. If you look down the side of this side, looks just like the driver's, nice and straight. Open the doors. Doors shut nice. Absolutely beautiful. It's been a while since I had a 64 convertible Malibu Chevelle. Check it out. What a beautiful interior. Once again, we have a black interior. Beautiful dash. All the bezels and everything are real nice. Tilt wheel. Beautiful steering wheel too, I like that. Got an awesome sound system. Sony radio. We have a water temp and oil pressure gauge. Front seat belts, no back seat belts. I don't see any flaws in the interior. It's absolutely beautiful. We're going to fire it up here in a minute too so you can hear it run. And she rumbles nice. That was nice. Hey, thanks for joining us today at VanguardMotorsales.com. Before I sign off here, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. Upper right hand corner, you're going to see a link for YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. If you want to see cars like this before they're marketed to the public, become subscribers to Vanguard, and you'll be able to see them before anybody else does. And one more thing, the ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com. Hit that website, download the 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a classic car online. You'll save yourself thousands. We've already helped many people save thousands of dollars. And don't forget, if you're looking for something special, click on our auto finder. We can find any car that you want and help you put your dreams in your driveway. Once again, my name is Tom Fotios. Call me 7 days a week. I'm always available. 248-974-9513. Stay tuned for the next pass.